Goko ne kwa Kikuyu podcast. Umuthi kwe mweri mugwanja mweri wa 10 mwaka wa 2024, Deputy President witha imwe cia utuko ni atanyitwo gukorwo akiariria bururi mugima kana gukorwo na press conference iria egukorwo akiariria bururi mugima. O ni uhoro wa impeachment yake kana uria impeachment yake ifagitwo na rucio niguo bunge irathi gwikia kura cieo kuga kana nimekumo impeach kana matikumo impeach. Oho kamuira bunge ma impeachete Deputy President kana mumuingetithĩtie gĩtĩ-inĩ kia Deputy President. Deputy President ni abatie gukinya kuo mabe acokie ciuria na kaheo kahinda ka mathaa meri. No ye mwenyewe no age guthie atume lawyers kana mwenyewe no athie. Na muhugu uyu wikuo ati Deputy President ni kuresign, arenda kuresign muthenya wa umuthi. Ni hena uria ndirona no resign kana age kuresign. Andu aingi no mecine kuresign ara resign no athie hau age kuresign. Aga kuresign ni kuga atia hena temperatures egukorwo ongerera ni egukorwo arigithĩtie team ya president tondu team iyo nio irenda Deputy President a resign. No athie haria age ku resign na drone press conference yake tegothie kwanika thirikari ya President William Samoei Arap Ruto akianikaga maundu mothe ma President William Samoei Arap Ruto. That's according to me. Augia terere agikone gothie na ni gotiga ndakwanika no athie haria atige amwanika andu matige makiarĩrĩrio kana andu matigwo makiarĩrĩria maundu mari egukor akiaria. Resignation ti huthu uge ni wa moko iguru uge ni wa resign gĩtĩ Deputy President ti huthu. Hani haya mundu afaitaga to the end. You fight to the end. Ogirora higono kora public participation ogirora hena maundu marendereire na president ni aguthĩtwo igutha inene muno through that public participation. Na bemwe undu uyu wokire ukigaruruka president na arĩa mabangĩte maundu maya mothe. Gĩtũmi nĩ kĩ? Andu mathi kuria na ni all through Kenya country ciothe aingĩ maugaga kuva dereva kuva makanga. Agiko Deputy President ni athie mathia mwenao na Ruto. So it was for me girona undu uyu wari win for Rigathi Gachagua and a lose for William Samoei Arap Ruto. As we speak, Thaishi President through this impeachment ni aonekana aluzete than Rigathi Gachagua. Rigathi Gachagua is winning. Rigathi Gachagua already a more popular, more and more popular than William Samoei Arap Ruto. Ogirora ore kuri and as ogirora maundu Thaishi Rigathi Gachagua ona public ona address ino yake ni atairwo ni kila mundu guti mundu tekwenda kumiona menda kuigwa tereri Deputy President ye ekuga atia. Everybody wants to hear him. No resign todo kugithio uguo impeachwo eherio gĩtĩ-inĩ aingatithio gĩtĩ-inĩ kĩu kwĩna maũndũ maigana ona mangĩkĩka. Wa mbere mangĩmũ impeach successfully Rigathi wa Gachagua ndangĩka na rũgama gĩtĩ kana gatiba ndĩngĩko ĩmwĩtĩkĩrĩtie kũrũgama gĩtĩ-inĩ gĩothe kĩrĩa nĩ ũndũ rĩngĩ harĩ na ngungo ngawici wa mbia na kĩ hena maũndũ maingĩ mũno aigĩrĩirwo incitement gwĩka ũrĩa ũtonga na ngungo hena 5 billion maugaga ati angaiĩte out of things. So agi impeachwo on the other hand ndangĩrũgama gĩtĩ kĩa o president mwaka wa 2027. So eclose road-inĩ of which ona arũgama no arũgame age gũthurwo. But age resign no arũgame no agerie munyaka wake mwaka wa 2027. Still a resign ndĩrenda gũkorwo eraia none team ya president makimwethera mahitia mambie kumunyita nyodo wa Google resign makesi no kuhigura me kuhiguro okumuthukeria ritwa and you will see for yourself in case he resigns meko bikuigura makesi makienda kumunyita na no mekumunyita mauge ena wicio wa mbeca ici na ici ekwigirwo maundu maingi muno ona maundu maria mari kuhigura Uhuru no megukirio maundu macio mothe no megukirio and you will see for yourself. So for now dikiwate deputy president Rigathi Gachagua eguka kuga ni resign. He should be a fighter. He should fight to the end. Dagiro kwe mako na igoro todo kirodo eka wina consequences. Everything he does, it has its own consequences. Eto mwega resign, it has consequences. No eko igoro wa mabitaga na ke. But atakuwa na chance ya kusimama kama president 2027. But if he doesn't resign, he go to the more impeach. Can I impeach on a bunge na Senate? Then kwisha. But bunge kana parliament tio mwisho. Senate niyo ina kila Senate niyo ina final say. Ya kuweka na memo kumo impeach kana mati kumo impeach. Senate has a final say. So bunge no kuhetokia. No the Senate mage kuhetokia. So for now, let's wait and see. Tuone vile itakuwa. But nino nyeda kumori kiuria, ladies and gentlemen. We, na maoni makuwe. No Deputy President Rigathi Gachagua resign kana okuga daka resign. No kiuria. We ukweda ae moko igoro. Okay man, it is what it is man. Resign kana we okuga daka resign. Kuna a lot of mixed reactions. Na ni drona eko a surprise oya do maeshiria tiwo okorwo. That's what I'm thinking. I might be wrong, but hena possibility ana maeshiria ne ko resign age ko resign. Aduma tayari ni kalamu wekera age wekera kalamu. Auge kama mbaya twende nalo. But anyway, it is what it is. Goko neko iko podcast ino channel wagiro neko na channel area wagireirwo nego subscribe na kwenye notification button. Tondu guku niko gurega maundu mothe maria matwene na mari mothe mari de bururi-ini wa Kenya, bururi-ini wa Mugikuyu na Kenya yothe. Goko jugaga it is what it is, ladies and gentlemen. And thank you. God bless you so much, guys. God bless you so much.